trust, innovation, quality. Allied Air Enterprises instills those principles into everything we do. From our products to our people, it's what you expect from the leaders in HVAC. That's why over the last 3 years, Allied has stepped up investments in our quality management system with a simple but critical goal: achieve world-class performance in quality assurance. Significant changes have been put into place to ensure we reach that goal, including improved product quality through proactive inspection processes, state-of-the-art automation, and the most robust and accurate robotic technology available. Even advancing our approach to run testing improvements and employee feedback has been given the very latest in quality assurance. Every component in each unit we build is designed to the highest quality standards. It's more than a simple promise. It's a responsibility that we take very seriously. In fact, we invest more in R&D each year than the year before, continuously building on what we've learned as a team. It's all part of our vision to be recognized as the highest quality commercial HVAC solutions provider. The Commercial Quality System is our quality process that touches every step in the process to provide the best customer experience in the industry. From component testing, where we put our products through a series of rigorous tests and trials, all to simulate the harsh real-world and even beyond real-world environments they experience to ensure integrity that is reliable and repeatable. To manufacturing, with our twice-daily full factory quality review, where management teams inspect the output of each and every line to ensure that all are operating at maximum efficiency and maximum quality. To distribution, to every job site and every installation, and especially after-sales support. Quality is the foundation of everything we do at Allied. Of course, every product we put our name on is backed up by commitment to service and support. At Allied Air Enterprises, we only do one thing: HVAC, and we understand how to enable success in commercial. Our commercial factory in Stuttgart, Arkansas has been recognized for many years. We've been registered and passed the International Organization for Standardization 9001-2015 certification every year since 1992. And most recently, we're accepted to participate in the Arkansas Governor's Award for Quality. In addition, products produced in the factory have been awarded 10 Gold, Silver, and Bronze Dealer Design Awards by the ACHR News. Your feedback fuels our ability to improve, and we encourage you to participate in opportunities to offer insight into ways we can continue to provide the highest quality product in the industry. Let's work together and talk about how Allied Commercial can help you grow your business.